PEDAX has the complete range and the professional skill and competence to solve complex manufacturing tasks. Today, you're seeing an economical cutting system that works unmanned and fully automatically. How does that work? Quite simply, the PEDAX Autender takes reinforcing steel from the automatic mobile store, counts the bars and places them in the cutting muzzle. Production starts. The motor of the system is the proven Combiline and the PEDAX drawing unit with a powerful hydraulic cutting machine with a 150mm blade width for high cutting capacities. The cut bars are positioned in tracks, pressed flush via stops and placed clean and ready for production in pallets via discharge chutes with arrestor hooks. The plant is supplied with reinforcing steel via a mobile bar store. This takes place under program control with automatic changing, as requested and demanded for the respective items. The automatic process is not interrupted unless there is no more bar material in the store. The bars are pulled out of the store by the proven strong PEDAX drawing unit, which measures with a high accuracy without stops and has a high pulling force. A rotating channel places the cut lengths selectively on the left or right-hand side in tracks in which they are positioned by stops. Then the cut lengths are placed ready for production in the pallet system and collected there. The store positions itself for a new diameter. The bars are raised. The Autender drives into position, takes up the bars, counts them, ensures that surplus bars are deposited back into the store and places the required number of bars for the next production cycle in the pulling and cutting muzzle of the Combiline. The entire production runs continuously under program control. A change of diameter is automatically initiated. To do this, the bar store positions itself. The Autender removes, counts and automatically inserts the bars and the cutting cycle starts. Cut items are cleanly positioned by stops and set down on the right or left side of the machine, and collected in boxes or in pallet compartments via discharge chutes with arrestor hook systems. Work in this precast factory is job and workplace related. The cutting of reinforcing steel always produces offcuts, which must not hinder the process and can be used further. The PEDAX range features an optional short cutting device for cutting very short pieces, which collects the shortest lengths in a cassette, sorts them and places them in boxes. Let us look at the advantages of this machine, which produces unmanned. The mobile bar store moves under program control using laser distance measurement. The Autender counts the bars exactly and reliably and places them in the pulling device of the Combiline. The drawing unit, which has proven itself in many machines, works fast with a high pulling force and a draw-in speed of 150 meters a minute. The hydraulic cutting machine is designed for maximum performances. It cuts the bars cleanly, safely and side by side. A rotating channel places them on the right or left-hand side in positioning tracks, and from there via discharge chutes into any desired box systems. Offcuts and scrap are transported out of the cutting area and into a scrap container during the course of the process. A view inside the control unit. For the Combiline, PEDAX works with Siemens technology on the basis of the SIMATIC S7, which convinces through its efficiency and universal systems. The data is input either online or manually via a Siemens PC477 controller with touchscreen. The picture shows the short cutting device with cassette and container system, which takes care of important functions in the automatic process. Short lengths are sorted cleanly into a container, and offcuts that can still be used are collected there. So there we have it, the Combiline from PEDAX for the unmanned cutting of bars. A powerful machine that was assembled from components to suit the customer's wishes, that works unmanned and thus cuts particularly economically, and that combines proven technology with new components and can therefore do everything that is meaningful and important for the future.